What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. What I've been doing over the last couple weeks here was researching about bull market corrections and obviously how difficult some of them can be here. And in my opinion, this is just my opinion, it's not financial advice. I believe that this is the whales messing with us here, guys. I do believe that we're still going to go higher in this bull market. I don't think a ton higher. I'm thinking one more good solid leg up would be my best guess. And as I've said, I can be wrong on that. That's just coming from my 7 years of experience in this space. And as I was researching, our average correction was ranging from 25 to 55%. And that's just since I've been in the game since 2017. And on average, these corrections lasted a few weeks to 3.5 months. And so far, we've been about 2 months or so into this correction. And another thing I think people really aren't putting enough stake into is the fact that artificial intelligence is out there now, and it's going to mess with us, guys. I mean, there's a lot of AI bots. There's just all types of bots that they're going to be essentially doing the opposite of what technical analysis books and fundamentals and things tell you sometimes. And I've noticed that just by watching charts. You'll see it. And, just studying this stuff, I also think global liquidity as well. We need to get into that quantitative easing phase for altcoins to really do what they need to do. At this point, I'm just talking about Bitcoin because it's the main driver. It's what we need to focus on, especially during a major correction like we're dealing with right now. And guys, as we're looking at this, I was going back through the Pi cycle top indicator, and I mentioned in several videos before that I didn't think it was actually going to cross this bull market just due to the fact that so many people know about it. I thought it could get close, maybe kiss, but guys, if this was the end of the bull market here, and you can take a look, this is going to be our simple moving average 111 day. That's going to be in blue right down in here. And then in pink or purple here, it's your simple moving average 350 day times 2. And what you can see is that we haven't even gotten close to crossing. I mean, look at the separation we still have from our blue line to the purple line. And essentially what we had on these previous bull markets here is we had our blue line crossing up through the purple line, and then that was essentially signaling the top, right around the top. We got that in 2017, we got that in 2021. And this entire bull market, you can see this massive gap that we've had here. So, guys, if this is the end of the bull market, then I will say it straight up. I apologize. I thought we were going to go higher. My targets have been 130 to 150, and I thought that was conservative. So, I just, looking at all the stats that I've been looking at, there's not a lot of indication that a true top is in for Bitcoin. Now, obviously, anything can change, anything can happen, but I would definitely anticipate our simple moving average 111 day getting closer to the simple moving average 350 day times 2 than what we've gotten to. Another point that I wanted to make to you, in these previous bull markets, we actually in price, so you can see kind of in gold here, price, we were trading up above the purple band. We found support off it right back in here. We got above its support and just kept climbing. And you can see we spent a lot of the bull market up above that band. Even in 2021, we got up above it. And then what you can see in this bull market here, that we've only touched it. We've touched it one time out of this entire bull run here, and that's been it. So, guys, I'm all for diminishing market cycles, but, this would be a pretty tough one if this is how the top ended and this is how the Pi cycle chart looked and the top was in. So essentially what I'm saying here, my best guess, my opinion, not financial advice, is this is manipulation, this is artificial intelligence, this is the whales messing with us. I do believe that we're still potentially going to get one more leg up and we're going to see some more bull market action moving forward in the months ahead. That's my opinion, guys. I want to know what you think down low. Please let me know because, this market's just very confusing, and that's why I've sat back, because I don't have a crystal ball for you. I can't tell you for sure what's going to take place, and I want to gather as much information as I can before I come out and try to talk to you people so that you can make your own smart financial decisions. But as for me, I'm going to continue to sit tight right now. That's the main thing. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.